Hi, Grace. So make sure you are on 324. You click on the here. It should open up the textbook, the online textbook. Once it loads here, it takes a while. Go down here, type in 338, enter. Just takes a little bit of time to load. So this would be the cover page. Click the down arrow where it says next page. There's page 339, you'll use that. There's 340, 341, 342, etc. So just keep hitting that down arrow. So that should work. If it doesn't, I do have office hours from 12 to 2 tomorrow, and I can kind of see what is on your screen. Thanks. Have a great night.